Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how my dad make Egusi soup, my favorite Nigerian soup. If you're interested, keep watching. Today, my dad is cooking my favorite Nigerian soup, Egusi soup. These are the ingredients we need for the Egusi soup. Here are the ingredients. You need Egusi, pepper, bitter leaf, crayfish, seasoning of your choice. You'll need salt. You will need panla dry fish. You will need spinach. You'll need kale. That's optional. You don't have to use it, but my dad used it. You'll also need bell pepper. We will also need palm oil. We'll need smoked turkey. You can use any meat of your choice. We need bomo, which is cow skin. These are all the ingredients we need to prepare Egusi soup. What you need to do first is wash your meat. Then add seasoning and onion. Cover it and do not add water. Let the meat to cook with its own juice. Make sure the cooker is on low heat. The next thing we're going to do is wash your cow beef and pomo. Make sure you wash it very well. Use a knife to scrape the back. Don't forget to scrape the inside of the pomo because it has sand and dirt inside. Once you finish washing the cow leg and the pomo, put it in a separate pot. Add water and salt, then boil separately. After 20 minutes, check your beef. Add a little bit of water, then cover it. Leave it for a few minutes. Wash your smoked turkey. Drain for excess water. Put it aside. Now we need to blend the bell pepper. Add onion and a bit of water. Next, wash your stocked fish and add it to the beef. Stir and taste to see if it needs any seasoning. Next, wash your spinach and squeeze the excess water out. Once you finish washing it, put it in a bowl. Now add your kale to the bowl and wash. Once washed, put the kale in the same plate as the spinach. After a few minutes, check on stock fish and the beef. Then add your smoked turkey. Stir it together. Then add seasoning and salt. Cover the pot and leave it for a few minutes. After a couple of minutes, take out the beef and smoked turkey. Don't forget your bomo and cow leg. Check if it's cooked or if it needs more water. Now we are going to add palm oil into the pot. Add your blended bell pepper. Make sure it's on medium heat. Add the meat stock. Cover it for a few minutes. Then add your egusi. Stir it. Add your crayfish. And dry pepper. Also add your bomo and leave it to cook. Cover the pot and leave it for a few minutes. After a couple of minutes, add the roasted bomo. Then add the beef and smoked turkey. Add some water depending on how you like it. My mum likes it thick and my dad likes it watery. The final step is to add kale and spinach into the egusi. Next, wash your bitter leaf. Add the bitter leaf to the egusi. Don't forget to put the cooker on the low heat. Cover the pot lid for a few minutes. Next, my mum will be making the panna jam so that we can have it with the egusi soup. The egusi has finished cooking. This is the final look. This is Nigerian egusi soup. This looks so yummy. You can have it with panna jam or rice, eba or amala. We are having it with panna jam today. Now I'm about to devour this food.
Prepare the egusi soup that I prepared. Is about now. Let's test the soup. And Naomi, you have to rate it, okay? You have to tell me what you think about it. Alright? You know you are the one who inspect the food and see how sweet is it. What's your hand? What's your hand?
One hand.
Okay, one hand. Okay. Okay. Alright.
Ready to eat?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yummy.
Eat this one first.
What?
Let's see.
Eat that one. Maybe.
Let's see.
Hot.
Let's see.
Oh,
Is it hot?
Mama has.
You have to try egusi soup and pounded yam. That's the number one delicacy. You know, Nigerian delicacy. You have to try
I
it.
got a lot of that.
And top it up with some malt.
Me.
Oh, after this is bed straight away. Relax myself, you know. Join me next time for me cooking my other delicacy for my family. This
It's
is
amazing.
missing. It's amazing, as my boy said. And if you don't know the way I cook it, check out the recipe. It's nice. Thank you for joining us for a nice family meal, and for watching me cooking today, egusi soup, you know. And more videos is coming, you know, for me cooking and with the kids and family. See ya. Peace.
Everybody's back.
Bye.
What are you doing?
Look at my hand.
Why?
Because the soup is so tasty.
It's tasty?
So good.
I'm full up.
A few moments later.